professional so that even their entry-level staff would dress and act like senior executives, or Google making an office that people felt like home in, it is all just a way to get a little bit more out of their staff. Now, sometimes that is absolutely necessary. On Tingler, a work environment want to go above and beyond is actually a good thing. A workplace where nobody knows how to behave themselves is just as miserable as an overly authoritarian workplace.
They always do that over here.
From the same direction. So what did go wrong prior to 2014? So it's clearly we're seeing now the decline of the political system to water system. So when did it go wrong? Because there were many moments where people talked about, this is we probably need to make some money, we have to change this and that. And now we are down this is so political. So 2015 was really you. Yeah, we don't want this both very few. I guess we're just people like Swell, the when it's on 2000.
Okay. Look at the bus. Oh my god. Go around him. I can't. I gotta go straight. Yeah, no.
Siri, dial 911.
You want some french fries, Sharon? Gabby, you're still back there, aren't you?
At the stop sign, turn right onto US Highway 93 North.
Oh, he came so close.
What just happened?
That truck nearly backed into that car. I don't know if he hit it.
For sure.
Me and Jesse, us, Susie
Susie?
McDaniel,
Okay.
and honestly, I don't know who else.
Oh my God. That is the most terrifying thing.
No, did you see what happened?
Yep.
Look at the tire.
Yep. That is a what? It's a
Oh, it's yeah.
What a place to put the truck. Pay it.
Oh my God.
Well, we got the Great Canadian Traffic Jam up ahead. These geese, man. They think they own the world. Get out of my way. I got places to go. Let's go.